What is a check-in? A check-in is an accompanying service to the inventory make. Quite a popular service, I would say. This is when the tenant meets the inventory clerk at the property at the time of the check-in. They go through the inventory together. The clerk will describe any issues that they may have found in the property, any defects, any damages. This assures the tenant that everything's been listed for them and they're covered for the report. At this time, the tenants also have time to ask the clerks any questions in regards to the property. It saves the agent time, such as where the meters are, if there's a concierge, where the concierge desk is, when the bins go out, how to use the heating system, etc. We would highly recommend this service, especially to agents who are looking for that little bit extra as a finishing service. Please visit our website at ashworth-group.co.uk for more information.